Moss & Stone Rapid Boil Electric Kettle, Cordless Pot 1.2L Portable Electric Hot Water Kettle, 1500W Strong DT Kettle, Red. Durable and stylish red teapot, with the classic design and the premium quality brushed mirror of the outside of the tea kettle for a solid feel and long-lasting use. BPA-free food contact materials. Effective capacity and power. The electric water kettle has a total capacity of 1.2 liters, fits perfectly on any kitchen counter. 1500W heating power with a temperature controller made by UK for fast results, takes a few minutes to boil with one touch switch, 120V 60 Hz. It's ready to make tea, coffee, oatmeal, instant soup or any other hot beverage in no time. Auto shut-off function. The water heater is built with automatic shut-off with boil-dry protection for safety and peace of mind. Cordless design allows for easy filling and serving with a 360-degree rotary power cordless base. Removable filter for easy cleaning. Safe and easy to use, the handle is ergonomically shaped and has a comfortable feel in the hand. Stay cool and heat-resistant handle to make sure that the kettle never slips or burn your hand while you're transferring the boil water. Water window for precise filling and checking levels at a glance. Plus cord wrap for compact storage. Quality guarantee, high-quality stainless steel kettle that will not get rusty. We, at Moss & Stone, offer our tea kettles not only top-grade A-quality products, but also provide top-of-the-line customer service. We offer a 1-year guarantee. Customer satisfaction is our goal, so if you have any problems with the kettle, just contact us so we can resolve your issue promptly. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.